account type bank, and check number is mandatory because we are giving check, so we have the check number. So you cannot enter check number manually. You cannot enter. It will not allow you to enter check number. It is check generation. So generate payments. Generate payments. Method of payment check. Bank is USM of operations. Click OK. Then check number is coming automatically. From where it is coming, how it is, what are the setups, I will explain you later. So check number, there are two methods. One is free, one is fixed. One is free, one is fixed. There are two methods for check generation, check numbers. I will discuss with you this one later. So if you have a default printer, it will go to the printer always. It will go to the printer always. So you need to select a screen. Otherwise, it is waste of your papers. If it is any default printer is there, it will be printed automatically. Okay, click OK and click OK. So first time, always first time, it will take some time. Second time, if I generate, it will be faster. Always first time, whenever you have opened the application, first time, check generation will take some time. The reason behind it is connecting X++ code with SSRS reports. The connections will be established first time. Internally, technically, it is inside going on. That is the reason it is taking first time. Second time, if I generate, it will be faster. Now check number is empty. It was filled with check number. Look at this one.
Hello, Satish.
Yes, please. Yeah.
In organization, we will have to do bulk payments, right? Or suppose 500 invoices, we have to make a payment at a time.
Yeah. So that one is payment proposal. I will discuss with you later.
Okay.
Payment proposal. So always there are three options. As I told you, three options. One is partial payment, direct entry. Next one is settlement. Settlement against invoice, or bulk payments means payment proposal. These are the three options available. Okay, slowly we will understand. Okay, fine. Check number is generated here, and it was, if you want to take a printout, you can take a printout by clicking on save or open, and you can take the printout. So I'm not doing anything. Now the status is sent. You can click on post button. So let me do once again one more transaction quickly. Now it will be faster. Let me do once again, click new, select the vendor payment. Just for your convenience, I'm showing you one more time. Lines. So select the vendor. I'm entering partial. Okay, now, so check. I'm clicking on generate payments. So click OK. and I don't have any default printers to my laptop. So I'm clicking OK. Now look at this one. This will be faster. It will not take much time to generate the check number. It will not take much time. This will be faster. Okay. Second time it will be faster. Why I'm telling this one? If you are in case of you are in a pre-sales activities in front of the customer, if you are demonstrating, first time do it from your side. So while doing demonstration, second time if you show, then customer will get impressed like it is faster. Otherwise he may misunderstood like application is slow. Okay, first impression is best impression always in front of the client. Whenever you are showing, first time you can execute yourself, second time show in front of the customer, then the check number will be generated fast and this generate payment will be very quicker and you can do the posting. Okay, if you verify the voucher, it will show you the voucher.
Sir, can we change the check number? Can we edit the check number?
Once it is posted, you can add. Before that, you can modify.
Okay.
Before check generation. Before check generation, if you want, you can modify. Let me show you. I'm clicking on new. Drop down, from the drop down, I'm selecting vendor payment. Go to lines. I'm selecting the vendor. Suppose 200. Now it is blank. Generate payments. So you can click OK. So here, this check method, there are two methods. If you want, you can modify here. There are two methods. One is like fixed, one is free. Bank check methods. I will explain you that one later. Bank check methods. There are two methods. One is free. Another one is fixed. Okay, this you will understand later. Now the method is free. The method is free. So I'm able to modify whatever I want and click OK. That is free.
So, sir, one question from my side. So, we are always doing payment for the invoice, against the invoice.
Yeah. Yes. If you want, you can do the settle transactions against the invoice. That is this option. Yes, you can do it by selecting settle transactions. You can do the selection.
Satya,
Okay.
Emmanuel.
Yeah, Emmanuel. Yes, please.
Satya, is it possible to change the dates of the posted transaction? Either it could be customer payment or a vendor payment to the backward date.
Once it is posted, you can add. While creating, if you want, you can do it. Suppose, let me show you. Today it is 28th February, or suppose 1st March. Today it is 1st March. I want to post last month. Then you can select here 28th. It is asking, do you want to change the session date? Yes, I want. Then if you are going to post transactions, it will show you the date, whatever the date you have entered. Means bulk postings, previous date, I want to post all. So I can select. And if I go to lines, the date will be populated 28th February. If you want to change here, you can change. For specific transaction, if you want, you can change. But if you want to post bulk transactions, today it is March 1st, 28th February, I have taken leave. I need to post all the transactions on 28th February. Then I will change the date in the session date. and I will come here, all the transactions will be posted directly. Whenever I'm opening, it is coming like this. But if you go to this screen, and if you go to payment, like vendor payment or customer payment, this screen, it was not changed. Am I right? So this date, this screen will come current date only, means today date. Look at this one. This will show 7th of March. Actually, this is USA time zone. That is the reason it's showing 7th March. But if you go to this one, this screen, in this screen only we have changed the date. The date I have changed here only for the screen. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute, please. So this is applicable for this screen only. This screen only. This browser will have different. This browser is, if you look at this one, this browser date is today date only. Give me a minute. This is this date only for this screen. Okay. Earlier in AX 2012, in earlier AX 2012, it is common. Here session date and time. In AX 2012, in D365 here it is available. This is the session date. Okay. Yes, please. Someone else is asking something else. Yes, please.
What is the use of changing the date?
Okay, so what is the use? Suppose example like on 28th February, it is, if you look at this one, Monday, 28th Feb, I'm on leave. And I came on 1st of March. I need to post the transactions on 28th Feb only. The pending transactions, I need to do it, am I right? I need to close the last month, all the transactions. Then I will change the date to backdated and I will post the transactions.
Okay. So you have to go and change in the calendar rather than we don't have a field to just enter the date and then accept. You don't accept as such, isn't it?
It is available. It is available. See the date whenever you are entering. Suppose you are entering here customer payment journal. In this one, you are entering. You can modify the date every time. Suppose there are 20 transactions, 30 transactions I need to feed. So whenever I'm entering here, and go to lines, I need to change the date. And I need to post the transaction. But if it is suppose 30 transactions, I may do mistake, I may forget it. Am I right? There is a chance. Every time I'm not, today like half an hour, like 2 hours, 3 hours, I'm posting transactions. Everything should be on 28th February only. Suppose if I forgot, it will be posted today date, which is wrong. So if you have bulk transactions, what you are going to do, you can go to this date and you can modify the date.
And we can change the session date.
The session date. So that all the transactions will be posted, everything is over, then you can come back and you can change it to today date.
Okay.
Make sense?
Okay, thank you. Sorry, where we have to go to session date? I couldn't follow properly. Where you have to go to?
This one also available, session date. This is also session date. But if you want practically, if this is in D365, it is available. In 2012, it is common session date, common session date and time.
Okay, but here you can change in the dashboard itself.
Yeah, both are same. Okay. This is the current date, system date, but you are changing the date.
Common.
Can we post it?
Yeah.
Can we post the future date as well?
Yes, you can post.
Okay.
This is a future date. But usually future date will not be posted. Usually it will be like backdated only will be posted. It is required, business requirement is there, definitely we can post until and unless here the periods are open. So still you need to learn a lot.
EDC.
Periods. So in this,
EDC we can.
so if it is here ledger calendars, there will be periods should be open. You will understand these things later. Slowly you are going to learn all these things. Here it is periods should be opened.
Sir, what about PDC we can prepare in the current period?
Sorry, come again, please.
PDC check.
Yeah. So PDC check I have not explained till still I need to explain you a lot. So in this vendor payment, I have explained check payment. I have explained just now check payment. I need to explain you PDC. Also, is one of the topic. It is you are going to learn. You are going to learn.
Okay.
Yeah. Not now, later.
Okay, fine. And what about void payment, sir? Want
Sorry?
to void the check. If you want to void the check.
Yes, that is check returns.
Okay. Check it. Fine.
Deposit cancellation. This is void check for the vendor's payments, and this is void check for the customers.
That's so much. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Fine. Any more questions, please? Any more questions?